Hello everyone, Professor Hazy here. Welcome to CEIS114 Intro to Digital Devices. We are now entering week 5. This week we're diving into what they call system integration. In other words, so far we've been talking about our inputs and our outputs and our processors. Now we're going to look at how everything gets integrated into one final product package. That's called information flow, and we look at it from sensor to actuator or from input to output. And they have a lot of information for us in the lessons this week. Lesson 1 looks at everything from how we get the information from the physical properties to the sensor, and then how to get the sensor information into the controller or computer or whatever type of device you're using to read it in. This is a specialty area called data acquisition, and we look at analog to digital conversion and pulse amplitude modulation. They also look at our Arduino kit for IoT prototyping, and I love this area. So that's all fun-filled and packed into lesson 1. Lesson 2, automation and control systems. Again, we're looking at that integration. How do we put this whole package together? So they begin looking at some packages, rain sensors, turntables, temperature control, wearable devices, pet monitoring, your home automation, automatic watering systems, just a lot of fun integrated applications in there. Okay, and then module 3, connectivity. How do we connect these devices? So we start looking at the networking concepts here and walk through how we're going to connect these devices and what rules play a part in that, and with the wireless and wired and Wi-Fi connections that can be made on different types of devices now. Even the smallest of devices can be wireless. So enjoy lesson 3 as well. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to jump in the modules, which are in the huddles, which is at the top of modules. So we go all the way to the very top, and you got your list of when the faculty members are available in their huddles this week to assist you with the different assignments or just any general questions you might have as well. So don't hesitate to jump in there and just chat and see what might come up talking with one of your team professors. Thanks and have a great week.